Alright guys, it might be kind of hard to tell, but today's video we're going to try to repair this tire. It's flat, it might be hard to tell, but we're going to try to plug it if it's got something in it. If not, we'll have to get a new one. So we're going to use our tire plug kit. I'll leave a link in the description for this. It's real cheap. This one's $5, and it comes with 5 plugs. So you're just want to follow your owner's manual as far as where to jack your car up, but pretty universal here. The first thing you're going to want to do is just loosen the lug nuts a little bit before you jack the car up. That way, whenever you have the car up in the air, you're not rocking it back and forth. So we'll go ahead and get the lug nuts loose, jack it up, and then take the tire off. Alright, upon further inspection, we got a couple of problems. First one is this one. I don't know if that's a hunk of metal or what that is. So we're going to have to try to get that out of there. And I'm not 100% certain that it's leaking there, but it is possible. And then our other issue is over here somewhere, is right here. That is a nail. So we got 2 possible places that we're going to need to plug, and it's always good to check the entire, don't just stop if you find one. Check the entire tire, because you don't want to waste your time airing it back up only to find that it's got another leak somewhere. So look it over. We're going to try to plug both of these. They're both in good spots. They're both in the tread, so you can plug them. And it's a lot better deal for $5 plug than it is for a $200 new tire, which you couldn't just get one tire. You'd have to get 2. So we'll go ahead and we'll unpack my plug kit, and then we'll get some pliers and see if we can't dig these things out of the tire. Alright, so we got both of them out. One of them's this little bitty nail, and then one's this bottom half of a screw is what it is. So I'm not sure this is even thick enough It wasn't even thick enough to get all the way through. I don't know. So we're going to plug this big hole that the screw made first, and then we'll air it up, and then we'll see where it leaks. Alright, so here's what we got. Here's what your kit comes with. Comes with this tool. It's got it cleans the hole and roughs the edges up a little bit, and then this is what inserts the plug in. It's got a little eye for the plug to go in. And then you got your plugs, and then you got some rubber cement. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take this and you're going to put it down the hole and just rough the edges up and kind of clean the hole out and make it clean. You can see how it went in at an angle, so it made it a little tougher. And you're going to grab your one of your plugs. And you're going to put it through this eye. Feed it through there. And then you want it to be even on both sides. And then you're going to take your rubber cement, put a little bit of rubber cement on there. Open it. So just kind of spread that on there. Try not to make a mess. Then you're going to insert it about 2/3 of the way down. There, pull out, just like that. You hear the air stop leaking. So we'll give that some time to dry for a second, and then you'll trim that. You'll trim it off, it's sticking up a little bit. Trim the excess off. You can see this is what it looks like when it's all done. This one was a little tougher because the hole's at an angle. The way that screw went in there made it a little bit tougher. But it went in there good. As soon as I got it in there right, it stopped leaking. So next we're gonna air it up, and we'll see if it leaks. Alright, after you've aired up the tire, and you get you a spray bottle and some soapy water. Then you're just going to spray where you plugged it. Then you're just going to look for it to bubble up where air's getting out. And there's nothing going on there. And so we're going to keep looking, because when I took that nail out, that little nail, I couldn't even see the hole anymore whenever I pulled it out. So we're probably just going to need to give this a good spray down and just see if we can see anything going on. But I'm thinking that was such a small nail that it probably didn't even put a hole all the way through the tread, if I had to guess. So I'd say we're good now. We just need to trim off the plug a little bit. Alright, so I sprayed it all up and down and I can't find any more leaks. So I trimmed it a little bit, trimmed some of the excess off, and that's it. We're done. It's all aired up. I use one of these little portable things that plugs into your cigarette lighter. Takes a while for it to air it up, but it's pretty handy to have, especially on the side of the road. So we're going to slap the tire back on there and we'll be done with it. Just keep an eye on our tire pressure, and if it starts to go down, we'll take it back off and look at it, and maybe we'll have to get a new tire, but I think it's going to be alright. Thanks for watching.